So John Gray was there. He lives out in California. He flew in.
Okay.
Dude, he's been on Oprah like 18 times, and like he's unbelievable. But he was there. James Barber, the Phantom of the Opera.
Gotcha.
He was there, did a private concert for everybody. We limit it to 30 members in the mastermind. Or in the retreat itself. It includes a year-long mastermind and all of that. But had Lee Steinberg, the #1 sports agent in the world. Jerry Maguire.
I was about to say, like, Jerry Maguire.
Yeah, he's a friend of mine now, and he was there. And he's Patrick Mahomes' agent.
Dude, Patrick Mahomes is from White House, Texas.
Is he really?
Might be where
I didn't know that.
Might be where your friend's Glenn's out shooting. It's East Texas.
No,
Tyler. We'll continue guessing towns later. I've got a lot of real estate out there.
I have a friend that lives out there. It's in the same town.
Is it a Longview?
Yes, Longview.
Okay,
That's
there you
it. Yeah,
We own some apartments there.
Do you really?
Not very nice, but they're there. You could own them, Matt. As a matter of fact.
Are you a slumlord or?
Well, no.
I'm just kidding.
So price says a lot, right?
Yeah.
You can buy these for
$380,000.
There's 18 units.
What's the rents?
It can be $18 or $800 a door. It could be.
It's not.
It's not yet. We deal in very distressed assets.
Okay.
So we haven't undistressed these yet. We've bought them.
Do you have tenants?
Oh yeah, they're cash flow positive right now.
Wow.
But they're going to need all the love. All the love. I'll tell you a work order we got. So a work order is when somebody has problems, and they were like, I don't remember what the problem was, but they were having a problem.
Yeah.
And so they submit this work order, and they're like, they submit this work order. It's something like, hey, I need this fixed because my parole officer. And I was like, all right.
That's, yeah.
And so anyways, I was like, okay. We probably fixed it. I would assume we fixed it because it's a reasonable request. You know what I mean? It's very reasonable that we don't want you to go back to prison. You can't pay us rent if you're in prison.
Right.
But that's the tenant base that's there.
Wow.
At the moment. And highly distressed assets, Class B location.
Yeah.
But highly distressed.
So like you have to carry.
The method on that is, as long as it's cash flow positive, you let it ride while you get your bulletproof plan in place. So we're starting a fund.
Yeah.
We're putting it together. Matter of fact, in my email, I had certificates of organization on that.
Wow.
Raising $5 million. What we'll end up doing is we'll end up selling that to the fund at basis, and then letting the fund reap the benefits of the turnaround on that. Because what'll end up happening is after we get those 18 units remodeled and stabilized, they'll be worth 1.4. Wow. And our cost basis will be 570, 580. So it's $1 million.
So you can almost triple your.
Yes.
Wow.
On the exit.
Yeah.
You got to exit in a better economy than we're in now.
Yeah.
Which is why we got the distressed units in this economy. Now's the time to buy.
Yeah.
People get it really confused. The hot market, you can make money fast.
Yeah.
But this economy that we're venturing into, you'll be able to buy real estate at a heavy, heavy discount.
Yeah.
And sell it in a better economy. You just got to find a tenant to.
People don't realize that it's cyclical like that.
Yeah, you just got to find a tenant in the meantime. Yeah. So most people want the quick money. Quick money. You got a friend that he's flipping houses. He said everything slowed down.
Yeah. I'm meeting with him today.
Yeah. He'll if he has any inventory that won't sell, all he needs is a tenant. Weather the storm to a better day.
Yep.
We talk about it in here almost every week. Don't sell at a loss. If you can rent and be cash flow positive, just have enough patience. GBT Property Management will manage it for you. Just have enough patience to ride it out. I don't think the government's got the stomach to stick with this interest rate environment, but we will see.
I just heard this morning that they're talking, was it maybe from Grant? I don't know about that they're talking about, softening which they,
what
we could get into a whole.
Yeah, we can unpack a can of worms, but your mastermind, year long, 25 grand.
Yeah. Well, it's 15 grand per person, 25 for a couple.
Okay.
Yeah.
high level, has it already taken place? You already went to Orlando?
We had one in October. We're
Okay.
having another one in March.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's turnitupp.mm.com is which is mastermind. But yeah. And we have a training platform that everybody gets access to as well, and all this stuff, and unlimited access to me and Craig, not our underlings.
Yeah.
It's important to know that, because I won't mention any names, but there's other gurus out there that you join their mastermind and you don't get them. You get their underlings, you get other coaches, and
well,
with
that's
us,
that's the
you
hustle.
get us.
That's the hustle.
Yeah, right.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
I'm in the online space, but the real estate market is, I call them influencers now. I don't even call them gurus anymore.
Yeah.
Because people got so popular for making money in a hot real estate market that literally anybody can make money in.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. But they don't own any real estate, but they're really panicking right now is what they're doing, but they're just holding it in very well.